How to make a complete backup and restore using Google Drive Cloud. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and on this today's video, I'll show you on how to make a complete backup of your Android device using Google Drive and how to restore it whenever needed. So it's perfect for keeping your data safe or transferring it to a new device. Without further ado, let's get started. First go to settings. Scroll down. Select Google. Now tap All Services and scroll down. Locate Backup and open the option. Toggle the button on for Backup by Google One and tap Backup Now button. Make sure the following options are turned on for backup like apps, photos and videos, contacts, call history, device settings, Google account data, and every options. And after that, this will help you to enable Google Backup on your device. Now you can easily back up photos and videos as well. For that, you can open Google Photos and tap on Profile at top right corner of the screen. And from this menu, select Photos Settings and then choose Backup option, and you have to enable Backup and Sync to save all your photos and videos to the cloud. Make sure to free up all your account storage in order to back up your photos and videos. For that, you need to make sure to delete all the necessary photos and videos. Now you can even back up WhatsApp data, which is optional. For that, launch WhatsApp. Tap on three dots at top right and select Settings. Scroll down, open Chats. Scroll to the bottom and select Chat Backup. Choose the Google account where you want to back up your WhatsApp data and tap on Backup button. You need to ensure that Wi-Fi is connected for faster backup. So additional tips is you need to make sure you have sufficient Google Drive storage. You can purchase additional storage if needed. Use Wi-Fi to back up large files to avoid extra mobile data charges. You need to regularly check up backup settings to ensure everything is up to date. And that's it. With these steps, you can easily back up and restore your Android device using Google Drive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.